Okay, so if you guys watched the video before this one, it was my Beauty Bay haul video. And today we're going to do a tutorial with the Beauty Bay Bright 2.0 palette. Here is what the inside of this palette looks like. It's really fun, colorful shades. I was trying to decide if I wanted to do two different looks on one eye or do just the same look on both. Because sometimes I like doing the different, different look on each eye. So I think to start out, I'm trying to decide. I mean, I definitely want to go like fun, colorful. I mean, there are enough shades where you could do like a more neutral look, but that's not what we really do here. So I want to start out with, we're going to start out with this shade Sunflower right here. It's actually pretty bright and you can see that really, really well, so I'm impressed. I know usually yellows are hard to get to show up. This is looking pretty good right now. Now I want to go in with this shade Flame, which is that beautiful orange shade right there. Okay, now I'm going to take the shade Nectar, which I'm hoping you guys can see like just how really beautiful and shimmery that looks. That is a gorgeous shade, and I'm hoping it looks as good on the eyes. I don't know, there's just something about like Beauty Bay's shimmer formula that I think is just absolutely one of the best. This shade is like the most beautiful, sparkly, like goldish, bronzish, kind of like yellow shift to it. Like this shade is freaking beautiful. Like, can you guys see that? Like, that shimmer, out of this world. Just amazing. Okay. So now I have to decide what to do with my other eye. Like, I'm really wanting to do maybe like a, I want to do blue, but then I want to do some of these pinks too. I guess I could do a pinkish look with like a blue toned purple. I think we can make that work. I just like want to use all these shades, and obviously I can't. So I'm sure there'll be more videos with this palette. Let's start out with the shade Shock right here. Now I want to go in with, let's see, I'm gonna go in with the shade Swim, which is this shade right here. Now I'm trying to decide what color I want to use for the inner portion of the lid. There's so many pretty sparkly shades here. I think I'm gonna go with the shade Night Sky. So this shade isn't near as shimmery as the shade Nectar, but it's still really, really beautiful. I'm kind of feeling like I just want a little more shimmer though. So I might try and trying to figure out which of these shades looks like it has more shimmer that I could like mix on top of it, because it's beautiful. I just want a little more shimmer to match this side, you know? So I think I'm gonna try, I don't know, this shade. Let me just try and swatch this on my arm really quick. I'm trying to figure out which one would have the most. Okay, I'm gonna try this shade Azure, and I'm gonna put that on top of Night Sky and just see what happens. So give me a little more shimmer. I'm kind of tempted, you guys, to. I'm gonna try a little bit of the shade Bottle as well, just to see what happens. We're just mixing all kinds of things today. Okay, that is really, really pretty. Oh yeah, that's the shimmer that I was missing, and like, I'm totally getting mermaid vibes right now with how that looks on top of the other shades. It's so pretty. Yeah, like I really hope it's showing up on camera how shimmery these shades are. They're beautiful. So now I need to do the lower lash line on both eyes. I think for this eye, I'm gonna use the shade Calypso, which is that pretty orange shade right there. And then for my inner, the lower inner corner, for that shimmer, I'm going to use that shade Nectar. Okay. And now for this eye, I think I'm just gonna go in with this shade Circus right here. And then for the lower part of the inner corner, I'm going to use the shade Bottle. And I just want to really quick kind of clean up the edges around the eyes a little bit, blend everything together a little bit more. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my mascara. I just opened up a new tube of this Maybelline Sky High, and there's just like nothing more satisfying than opening up like a brand new tube of your favorite mascara. Like, I just love it. If you're not new here, you know I have these crazy baby hairs, and like anytime I try and do my mascara, they just somehow get in my mascara wand and I get mascara all over my face. So I'm totally getting like day bright sun vibes from this eye and from this eye, like really cool night sky vibes. Like, I'm loving how everything turned out. I guess where it usually doesn't take me this long to do my lashes, but I really struggle with doing them on camera. I don't know why. This is like something that is so hard for me. Alright, so this is the completed look. Hoping you guys can see everything alright. If not, I'll have pictures on my Instagram of this look. It's just Outrage and Grace, and it was with this beautiful Beauty Bay Bright 2.0 palette. There's one more look at the palette. Beautiful shades, normal Beauty Bay formula, which I love. So if you guys don't have this already, I would definitely recommend picking it up. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and have a wonderful day.